Okay, so I am just recording myself talking and I don't know, doing something. Uh, Working on a website, I guess. I'll work on this one real quick and change out some things. My main thing is just trying to figure out the audio popping sound. I had that problem with my computer, and I thought it was related to the webcam mic or some sort of resource overload, but it went away. I don't know why exactly. It might have been some setting changes. But anyways, I don't know. I don't know. And so basically, I'm just recording myself trying to put the computer under some sort of stress, like, you know, use it a little bit and talk into it to see if the resource demand. But you can see it's pretty peppy. It gets around all right. Um, you know, I don't know. Let's see what happens if I do this. All right. Number one, building layout, Alpha. Here's another one. Alright, so that's the video. This is all stock stuff. That was the video I just made that had the audio popping stuff. Then I wanted to change this out. Let's. Oh man, I don't even have any photos. So yeah, I need someone with stock images, full images, because I really don't like this one with the bridge. I'm gonna put it in there to make you annoyed. But you notice the that image isn't the same aspect ratio, and I'm not worried about this text. I need to think about it more before I start changing out the text, and I don't even know if I want any of this because I could just do something like this. This is Oxygen Builder, by the way. It's a new WordPress plugin framework. I really like it. So how did that happen? So this was the wine showcase. So I'm just going to trash that because I just don't want it. I'm just going to make my life easy for now. And this is content letter. What's the content letter? That Grace Taste of Wines. I'm going to trash that. Trash that. This thing. I can always add these things back. This is part of a design template. And then this part is part of the main template. So this part, that join our newsletter, will show up on every page because it's part of the main template. Oops. It's not logged in here. So yeah, I removed that other stuff. So I don't even have a newsletter yet. This form doesn't work, so I'm just gonna remove that section for now, which is here. Template within nested templates. Nested templates. And I'm going to run this through WebPages because I have some security and performance and CDN issues I need to sort out, which you can't see but bug the hell out of me, but I'm not going to focus on it for now. We'll just build my site without it, worrying about it. And then this section here, I think, whoops. Okay, which one is the foot? What did I just do? Did I do something? Initial state. Okay, so what is it's this section. Alright, so I just trimmed down that front page. Oh, that's not bad for just dishing up the what do you call it page? Maintenance page. Oh, look at that. Man. Interesting. That's hilarious. Oh wait, no. Never mind. I was thinking of something else. What are the progressive JPEGs? Oh yeah, this guy. That's that stock image I just put in there. Yeah, it's that the one you don't like. Anyways, that was fun. I'm going to say that again, even though I think I did. And then I'm going to upload this video and listen to it for audio popping sounds. And just whatever.